optical illusion. And that's why I always tell people, the lowest form of conversation, meaning a clear indication that someone doesn't have anything in their mind, is when your topic of conversation is other people's money. People that talk about sports stars and celebrities making an X amount of money, and he made this deal, and he just signed a contract for $20 million, and he just signed this deal for $2, and that. Like, talking about other people's money is literally the lowest form of conversation. It simply shows that there may not even be a mouse in there. Why? Why do you care what he has? Is he going to pay your bills? Like, if this baseball player hits extra 5 home runs and makes an extra $1 zillion, whatever he's going to make, how's that going to affect you? What do you care? Oh, yeah, but he signed a deal with the Mets. So? Yeah, but he should have been with the Yankees. Why? Because he would have made more money. What do you care how much money he has? What are you, his accountant? Are you a hedge fund manager managing his stuff? Like, why? For what? What do you care? But this, Rabotai, is this literally the topic of discussion of the entire generation. I remember on Wall Street, non-stop. You go downstairs for a cigarette break for lunch, everybody's talking about other people's money. Oh, you see him? He just did this trade. Yeah, he made $1 million. Yeah, he made $200. Yeah, but it's not as much as that guy. It's not as much as this guy. Oh, that baseball player, that rapper, that celebrity, that movie star. Constantly talking about other people's money. Constantly. Young kids, teenagers, they don't know anything in the Torah or anything about life, but they know the salary cap of every single team in the NFL. They know exactly how much every single basketball player that plays for their team made last year, including signing bonus, including contracts with Coca-Cola and Adidas and Nike, and how much he made on the side with some investments, and how much he gambles, and whether he's getting a divorce or not, and whether he has a prenup. They know the bank accounts of every single celebrity. But how to add, they don't really know so much. How to wake up early in the morning, go pray, or even do something useful, not so much. But salary caps, other people's money, how much this movie made, how much this movie cost, they know. This is literally a disaster, an epidemic that's causing people to become more and more depressed without a cure in sight. Because they don't think that they're sick. The average person doesn't think there's anything wrong with talking about other people's money. Why not? Unless you learn what Rabbeinu Bechaya says, you're never going to arrive at this conclusion. Why? What's wrong with talking about other people's money? They do it on the news all the time. What's wrong with it is that when you talk about other people's money, you're picturing not what he has, not what she has, but what you don't have. You're not happy for him that he just bought a plane. You're thinking, he bought a plane, hopefully it crashes. Oh, no, I mean, hopefully it's good, yeah. Oh, he bought a nice car, yeah, hopefully it has a flat tire. Every curse under the sun. You're not happy for him. Oh, you just got married? Yeah, probably get divorced soon. What? No, mazal tov. You're not happy for them. Under your breath, you're like cursing them, you hate them. Why? Because you don't have it. That's why the Gemara says something that the first time I learned it, I didn't get it. Second time I learned it, I didn't get it. Third time I learned it, I didn't get it. You know when I got it? Right now. Gemara says, everybody knows what the Chatan and Kala are going to do after the wedding. But anyone that thinks about it, anyone that talks about it, discuss it with each other, or even thinks about it himself, is better off he didn't come to the world. I'm thinking to myself, oh, relax, guys. Okay, everybody knows what's going to happen, so what? Why is it so bad that it's better off the guy's never born? I mean, that bad? Yes, that bad. Why? Because that simply means that you are living an illusion. You're constantly going to be upset at other people's happiness because you're going to look at their life and be jealous because you think that it all belongs to you. So such a life, it was better off not to be born. Such a life is a miserable existence. That's why, Rabotai, when we see the Chachamim tell us that you need to have certain tools in order to survive this life, it's not really a suggestion. It's more like a survival guide. You see people left and right taking drugs, all types of mental drugs to numb their pain, to numb their depression, to get them out of reality. In reality, you don't need any of this stuff. All you need is to follow the instructions of the sages. But that requires toil.